I own an MSP called Tango Technology that's been operating in Australia since 2001. We specialise in whole of business outsourcing, private cloud solutions and telephony solutions. We've been selling Digium products since 2009. I really like the flexibility and ease of management of the system. Send to URL functionality, the call triggers, the extend API basically let me do anything with the system. By implementing Switchvox, we make sure we get a good user survey and deploy the call functionality as required by the customer. And then the granularity of the permissions in Switchvox means that we can hand off basic level 1 moves, adds and changes capability to the customer so that they don't have to wait for us every time they want to make a basic change. If they're coming from a legacy copper-based system, I think one of the biggest benefits they get is the interoperability with other systems. Leveraging connectivity into databases and other cloud-based services mean that they can implement smarter call routing, sometimes take load off a reception position and free up time for their resources to be doing better things. The set and call value to URL was a feature that really helped us close a big opportunity. We had a finance customer of about 400 seats who needed the ability to route incoming calls to the customer service operator who that caller had last spoken to. They used the send call value to URL to call a database that had a list of all customers of the company, compare the caller ID with the database, check the last agent that that user had spoken to, and then route them straight to that user. Virtualization has helped us sell quite a few systems, particularly my two biggest systems. By deploying a virtual Switchvox for them, we were able to deploy into their existing HA stack so that they had redundancy between data centers, and we were also able to scale out the system as they continued to grow without being constrained by the physical capabilities of any one appliance. I think it's really important to look at total cost of ownership when you're reviewing a new phone system. One of the key points of Switchvox is that there isn't a licensing model where you have to be concerned about what features that you have purchased at the time and what you're going to buy later. The Switchvox model of allowing you to use all features when you purchase the base license means that I can quote up a system straight away and not have to worry about the potential of adding voicemail, call recording, advanced IVRs later to it.